Splish, splash, puddle so right. With rain shoes on, we jump and slide. Bright red, yellow, green or blue. Rain shoes make the world feel new. They stomp through puddles soft and deep, while rainy clouds above us sweep. Splashing here and splashing there. With rain shoes on, we don't care. Water jumps up to say hello as tiny feet go to and fro. Rain shoes keep us dry and warm, every puddle, every storm. So when the sky begins to pour, we're ready, waiting by the door. With rain shoes on, it's playtime fun.